Which is worse, germs on a toy or toxic chemicals on a toy? Either one can make your little one sick. Don't worry, there's a way you can have your toys free from germs and toxins. So how do you clean your child's toys without toxic chemicals? We'll be using Truly Free's family safe products to show you how. Before we jump into cleaning methods, let's talk about why avoiding toxic chemicals is so important. Even though you try to avoid it, children often put toys in their mouths. Also, sensitive skin can react to chemical residues and cause a lot of skin issues for our children. Natural cleaning is not only better for us, it's also better for the environment. When you're cleaning hard plastic toys, fill a sink or basin with warm water, a few drops of Truly Free's signature scented laundry wash, scrub the toys gently with a soft cloth or brush, and then rinse thoroughly with clean water. After you're all done, let them air dry or wipe with a clean towel. With wooden toys, you're going to want to mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Lightly mist wooden toys, then wipe them clean with a damp cloth. When you're all done, dry immediately with a clean towel. For plush toys and stuffed animals, place them in a mesh bag before washing, and then wash in your machine using Truly Free's laundry wash on a gentle cycle. Air dry or tumble dry on low heat. For electronic toys, remove the batteries before you start, wipe down with a cloth dampened with Truly Free's multi-surface cleaner, pay extra attention to buttons and crevices, and then dry thoroughly before replacing batteries. For natural disinfecting, for those times when you need extra germ-fighting power, you can steam clean by using a handheld steamer for a chemical-free deep clean, or you could also use sunlight exposure. Let toys sit in direct sunlight for a few hours to naturally disinfect. Some tips for cleaning frequency would include cleaning weekly for high-use toys, cleaning after each play date for any shared toys, and cleaning daily for any toys that your child puts in their mouth. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to toy cleaning. By using Truly Free's family-safe products and these natural methods, you're creating a healthier play environment for your kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to other parents who want to keep their kids' toys clean and safe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.